Hi, my name is Michael. I've done a 4-day Counterbalance course at 4KS Centre in Peterborough. I find that the teaching incredibly brilliant. They're really good with your hands-on approach. If you go wrong, they'll teach you where you went wrong and they'll correct you until you know what you're doing properly. Fantastic, all the staff are fantastic. I strongly recommend that you use these 4KS in the future for any other courses, and I certainly will be using them again. I will certainly recommend them as well.